sharing an internet connection between this Raspberry Pi 5 and this computer. Now the Pi 5 is connected over display, and we can see everything through this video capture card using the camera app. I think this is like really cool. Anyways, I got a Wi-Fi connection here, and I want to share it to this Raspberry Pi with an Ethernet cable, so don't judge me for struggling to put that in. Alright, then other end here into that end. You can hear the click. And then soon it'll be on. Now here it says unidentified network, and the Pi is trying to pull a network address because data is flowing between. Of course I can't do anything here, so basically I'm going to cover my finger so that I don't reveal what my network name is, but pretty much internet connection sharing with Windows. I hit edit, zoom in here so that I can stop using my foot to move the mouse. The sharing, we're going to share this internet connection here to the Ethernet cable, and there we go. It set that there. Now it's trying to pull the connection again, connect it to Ethernet. Now don't worry, that IP address is in the private range, which means nobody on the internet can get me. Because if they were going to pull that, then that means they would be pulling a non-existent device, if possible. Pulling a device on their own network, not over the internet. Now, if you don't think that this would work, but here we go. Just gonna do a simple ping command to our good old friend Google here. Yep, all those pings. And I previously turned off wireless LAN here. And here we got the bytes flowing here. We've also got the bytes flowing here. Yes, this has been on for 2 days. I should probably restart it to clear the RAM, which you should be doing as well. You got to keep your computer up running efficiently, and the only way to do that is to get a restart. You should also do that with your phone. It can help speed things up. Clear that RAM, because if you don't, it's just going to keep getting clobbered with whatever apps you start. So pretty much that's it. Yeah. Alright, I pulled 77 packets. Cool. I'm gonna just restart. Yep. Stop there. Quickly pull out the SD card. And this beautiful thing here is Redclaw for the Raspberry Pi. You can hear that fan going because it's gonna go straight to the bootloader. Space, hit 1 for SD. Now there is a little problem with using Redclaw here. Is the Wi-Fi thing doesn't work. I tried it before, it just doesn't. It's a problem with like firmware loading and all that stuff. Why did I type reboot? It should be root. OOT for root. I don't know why that's a big screen, but yeah. Now this version matches the same thing for like usual Redclaw Linux for the 86 processor. Basically, for that thing. Alright, IP link shows whatever devices are there now. It does say WLAN 0 is up, but trust me, it does not work. Here, let me do the ping command again. Unknown host. Okay, so I don't know why, but I think it's like DHCP CD working up again. If config, basically it shows whatever things are running. Alright, so it's trying to do something, but TX isn't working. It's not getting anything back. I'm gonna bring up that, and that is the Ethernet. Now normally it should be working, but when it comes to DNS, I know I could have done the whole like something. I don't know. It's just gonna say unknown host again. Yeah, unknown host. Actually, let me see. That was automatically created. There's a head and a tail file. I do not have a tail file, so we'll just do that. Wait, nope, not move. I'm gonna copy it over. Now this is gonna need a restart for this service. So I'm just gonna bring it down and then bring it back up. Now it should be doing something. I don't know. Wait. It sent bytes. It just sent that. Whoa, 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 whoa. It's working. It's working. It just sent that. Okay. I'm gonna run the same ping command. So sometimes you just gotta motivate the good old resolve.conf. There we go. Yep. It was just a file issue. Though I don't know why that was an issue there. You just have to like copy stuff over. Yay. Of course. Yeah. Let's see how many packets we can do, but yeah. Cool. So it's just sharing a connection over from Raspberry Pi over Ethernet. It's taking the connection from here, and yes, the thing on Windows is still working. If I refresh that, actually Control Shift refresh or something, I don't know. Wait, can I do that? I don't know. Yay. Sure, my website. Yeah. And then quickly go there, projects, that thing, and that thing. Yay. Yes, 25 years, yada yada yada. There's that thing. That's what's running it. How many packets do we have? 96. Cool. Yay. Well, I'll see you all later. I'll let you all enjoy your New Year's Day thing. Bye.